Today is 5th October, World Architecture Day. Architecture Day is celebrated all around the world on this day. Guys, did you know why Architecture Day is celebrated? Don't know? Don't worry. In next few minutes, we will tell you all about the Architecture Day. So hello guys, this is Khushru Ansari and you are watching Archiverse. So let's get started. Architecture Day has been created in order to pay tribute to this architecture industry in 2005 by the Union International of Architects. Architecture Day is a day to show appreciation for the work of architects. Architects have the ability to change the world that we live in with their amazing work. Architecture plays an essential role in planning for the future, sustaining population growth, and to tackle several social problems. Architecture Day is about recognizing their work as well as the important role that architecture plays. Events are held in different locations every year, bringing architects, engineers, planners, and developers together to showcase their work, discuss future projects, debate current issues, and plan new business ventures. So, if you work in this industry, why not go along and join in? For those who do not work within the field of architecture, simply take a few moments out of your day to appreciate the architectural feats that you usually take for granted during your everyday life. Architecture Day may be celebrated on different dates and in different ways, but it is great to see that it is an art industry that is being appreciated all around the world. From Argentina and Venezuela to Brazil and Bolivia, countries all around the world pay honor to the work of architects. There are many different ways that architecture impacts society and the world around us. At the very root, architecture exists so that a physical environment can be created for people to live in. However, architecture is a lot more than this environment that has been built. Architecture is a part of our culture. It represents not only how we see the world, but how we see ourselves. Not only does architecture have an impact on society at high level, but it also have an impact on a personal level as well. Everything from material finishes to the way that space is led can be contribute towards the productivity, mood and health of the occupants. For example, did you know that people are less likely to take a sick leave when they work in a well-designed space? They are also usually more focused and they tend to contribute more to their business. On the flip side, higher levels of stress can be caused as consequences of unimaginative buildings and unwell-designed spaces. When you take all of this into account, it is not difficult to see why it is important to have an Architecture Day. Architects play a massive role in society. Their work is a combination of both science and art, which draws on and interconnected with politics, economics, sociology, psychology, and more. We should appreciate their work and pay tribute to all the amazing things that have been done so far. Hope you guys understood it well. If you have any doubts or queries related to this video, please let us know in the comment section below. If you love this video, please like and share it with your friends. To watch more interesting videos, please subscribe to the Archiverse channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. Bye bye.